Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Homebridge must be installed and reachable on your network. Open the Homebridge UI, note the device IP and port so you can access the config. Once done, make sure your iPhone or iPad is on the same Wi-Fi and signed into iCloud, because HomeKit pairing uses local network and iCloud keychain. Now open the Home app on iOS. You're ready to add Homebridge as an accessory using the setup code or QR. You proceed by opening the Home app and selecting Add Accessory. If Homebridge doesn't appear, tap I don't have a code and choose it manually. Then either scan the QR code shown in the Homebridge UI or enter the 6-digit PIN. This performs the secure pairing handshake. Make sure to accept any prompts on your device. After pairing, return to the Homebridge UI to enable specific plugins and configure names and rooms so Home app shows clean, usable accessories. You finalize by testing each accessory in the Home app and assigning automations or scenes. If devices fail to appear, restart the Homebridge service and close the Home app, then reopen. That often resolves discovery timing issues. If problems persist, inspect Homebridge logs for pairing errors, plugin conflicts, or network drops. Make sure Homebridge has a stable IP. Use DHCP reservation or static IP, and only
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.